WhatsUp Gold 360 performs its monitoring through the use of connectors. A connector is a virtual machine created from a template that you deploy to your virtual environment. The connector sends metrics to your WhatsUp Gold 360 interface. Before you create a connector, be sure that you meet the firewall and connectivity requirements as described in the WhatsUp Gold 360 documentation so the connector can function properly. To create a connector for a Hyper-V environment, log into WhatsUp Gold 360, open the Infrastructure menu, and select Connectors. Then click Add and select Connector. Choose Microsoft Hyper-V and enter a name for the connector. Select the disk size for the connector, either small, medium, or large. Size small should be adequate, but if you notice any performance issues, you can redeploy using a medium or large connector. Next, configure the network settings. You have the option to use DHCP, or you can specify the connector's IPv4 address, the subnet mask, the default gateway, and one or more DNS addresses separated by spaces. Then specify a site for the new connector, which identifies the location of the remote site to be monitored. You can select an existing site from the drop-down menu or add a new site. Click Add to start generating the connector. You can monitor the progress in the status column on the connector's server's instances page. When this process is complete, a zip file is automatically downloaded to your local machine containing a VHD file. Extract and save this file to a location where your Hyper-V environment can access it. Next, open Hyper-V Manager, and in the left panel, select the server you want to deploy the connector to. In the Actions panel, select New Virtual Machine. When the New Virtual Machine wizard opens, enter a name for the connector virtual machine and click Next. Generation 1 is selected by default. Retain this setting and click Next. Keep the default amount of startup memory and click Next. In the Connection field, select the virtual switch you want to use. Click Next. Select the option to use an existing virtual hard disk. Then browse to the VHD file that you downloaded and extracted. Click Next. Click Finish to finish deploying the connector. It will appear in the Virtual Machines panel. Right-click it and select Connect. In the Connection window, start the connector using the Start button or the Action menu. At this point, the connector virtual machine will boot up. You can monitor the process in the Connection window. This may take several minutes. If the process is successful, the connector status displays as reachable and it begins to collect data.